Assalamu alaikum. So, if you are an iOS user and want to use a Terabox storage, then what you can do is that you can go to this site teraapkbox.com. This one, just tap on it, tap on the top right icons, and here you will see the iOS version. Just click it, and it will open the latest Terabox iOS. You just have to click on this download Terabox iOS, and you will be navigated to a process where you can easily download it. Also, if you want to learn more about this Terabox iOS version, then this article has a lot of information for you, like its features and how to install it on iOS and Mac. What's new in this latest Terabox version, in-app purchases, and FAQs, a lot more. So, if you are interested, then just click the link in the description or just type this site. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.